concrete is here. We got the pump truck here. We got hands here. And we got a pretty big monolithic floor. We got the ditches poured out all the way around the perimeter and the pier holes that were in the corners. Let's get started on this slab. And that's another truck poured out. Looks like probably 2 more to go. Maybe a callback. And another truck. And just like that, we got this grill poured out and looking good, nice and flat and level. They're starting to get the stakes out of these door headers, and we'll get those boards pulled. This is a 50 by 80 shop building, and it actually took 110 yards today, because you could see we poured those ditches and everything.
Why the hell is people selling her?
We got the first door header out. And just like that, I hope you can hear me out here. It's pretty windy, but that's all in a day's work and another baby born.